Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the process of producing screening paints. So I wanted to produce 3 drum of screening paint. In that drum I have 1 drum and a half of water. I put my calcium 1 bag, so you mix it together very well. So I'm done mixing now. The next step is acrylic. So I'm trying to put acrylic. After putting, I mix it together very well again. That acrylic stand as binder so that I won't get dust. So what next is nut, but the drum is almost full. I have to comot little out of it so that it won't get drop. So I'm commoting little, as you can see. So now it's time to nut. That's 2 cups of nut, original nut rosin. That is original nut. So make sure you have enough of water so that it won't get blocked. 2 cups of nut, original nut. But you have to be fast in this process. You need to be fast in this process. Try to be fast. So you stir it. And nut rosin is also known as thickener. So thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips. So this is me trying to put Juniper. Yes, I'm adding Juniper. You see, as you can see, it's getting thick. It's getting thick already. It's getting thick. Wow. Our screening paint is almost ready. It's almost ready. So now I'll have to put the one I draw back. So now I stay together. Please subscribe to our channel. Now the paint is ready. Direct use, no need of water. Thank you guys. Love you. Please subscribe.